Smartsheet template sets are free solutions packed with pre-built sheets, reports, and dashboards designed to help you take your work management to the next level. Starting from a template set is a great way to save time and use established best practices to get up and running right away. Smartsheet is infinitely customizable, and it's easy to modify a template set to fit your needs, regardless of your Smartsheet skill level. Step-by-step setup guides walk you through the template set overview, setup, how to customize, and offer direct links to our Learning Center for more help. With little effort, you can download a template set and start working right away. Or, with a little customization, you can take advantage of the pre-established workflows and automations to tailor a solution to fit your needs exactly. Smartsheet offers a variety of training and solution services to help advance your knowledge and accelerate your use of Smartsheet, ultimately improving how you work. Whether you want to start small or go big, there's a template set available to you.